Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to become admin in Fiverr group. So let's get started. At first let's get into Fiverr app. So here it is. Now in the bottom right corner we can see this chat icon over here. Simply tap on this and click on new group or community. So let's tap here and select the people you want to add in the group. And proceed. Now enter the name of the group you want to make and click on tick mark in the top right corner. So here it is. Now after we are done, we can simply click on these three dots in the top right corner and click on chat info. Here we can see you are the admin of the group. To change the admin, simply click on add admins and you can choose any of them to become the admin and click on tick mark. So this is it. This is all we can do to become admin and change admin in Fiverr group. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.